I'm presenting staging solo number 2. It's part of a larger work. And when I first came to see the space here, I decided that I wanted to show this iteration in a way, the most minimalist iteration of staging. In my work in general, I deal with images, the creation of images. And without a narrative attached to it, as you say, there's plural images happening, so nothing can attach to a narrative. The difference is, because we're dealing with live performance and a live work, you don't just see an image that's been prepared and is ready given to you. You see the process. It's a process of making images. What I always say, there's no accents in this work. So this continuity and complete awareness of every split second that passes by is also to serve this purpose of not creating any accents. Accents tend to bring in narrative and some sort of drama in the work, yeah, and meaning in general. And because I don't want to put the meaning on top of it, I want the image by themselves and the labor meaning that the performer is putting in the work.